everyone, and thank you and welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, guys. Today I have another great video here that I'm recording. I'm going to post online here. If you've been following the channel, you know that I live trade every single day. I'm a price action trader, guys. So I live trade in front of my viewers every single day. I post my material. There's no cuts, edits, and there's no voiceovers. So what you see is what it is. And I'm a price action trader. If you're looking to learn how to price action trade, follow the videos, guys. Watch the videos. If you're a beginner trying to learn how to price action trade, follow my videos. You can reach out to me via email as well. But and if you have any questions, price action is actually the key. I mean, I don't want to say there is one particular holy grail to any trading, because everybody has their own strategy, whatever the case is. But if you don't know price action, you're not gonna be able to trade, guys. I don't care if you try, if you've been sold on use this indicator, you will not be able to trade. You have to be able to understand what the market's doing, understand the market structure, and definitely understand and master price action. And that's what I do, and that's what I'm here to show people. If you pick it up from me and you learn price action trading, okay? So we are actually, I believe we're at a level here. So I mark levels on my charts, guys. You have to mark levels to be able to identify what the market is doing. So we are actually at a level here, and okay, I'm too late now. So well, actually, let's see here. We'll take a quick little trade here. So I'm gonna take a quick little trade just to try to get a few ticks here. Okay, because I know that the market will probably at least test this area right here. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's okay. We'll get back in just to get here. Trying to get this trade right quick, guys, so please bear with me. Okay, so anyways, that was a quick little trade there on the ES. So let's see what we have right quick. I'll explain more, guys, as I finish up here. Yeah, just picking up a quick little 11 ticks right here. I mean, I'm just getting started, guys. 2 minutes in already, and I'm up 11 ticks already. So I wanted to catch that quick trade at a level. So basically, as I was saying, I'm a price action trader, and that's all I do. I don't use indicators, even though I have what's called the volume profile lower in my chart. It is an indicator app, but I don't consider it really to be an indicator. It's more so I call it a tool, because volume profile is probably like the market makers, the hedge funds. You know, the big people that move the market, the big people that push the market with big money. They use volume profile. Volume profile basically lets you know, you can visually see where the money's sitting at, where the volume is being built at, where the institutions are putting on orders, where and where it kind of helps you see what the market's doing. It kind of you see levels where prices at price levels where volume's being built, and that lets you know that money's sitting there. So I use it as a tertiary tool in a sense. I can take it off my chart, definitely. I do not need to trade, but what I'm trying to say here is that I use them as when I mark my levels. I go back and I also use volume profile. I use the volume profile. So when price gets back to that particular level, moves back to that level, or pulls back to that level, and it's at an area that I can see on my chart with, considering where on the volume, around the volume profile area. So for instance, what I'm trying to say here is if you look at my chart here, the 12 range, see what that level I marked right there was. I like to take my trades at the bottom of a low volume area. at the bottom of a high volume area. So here's a volume area right here, okay? Here's the top, here's the bottom. So I like to see my level, where my level's at. Now, it may not be to the T, okay? It may not be right there on it, but I like to see price mark my level, come to my level, and I like to take a trade at the lower end or the lower extremity of the high volume area, okay? Like I always say in my videos, if you follow my videos, guys, buy the dips. I mean, it's buy the lows, sell the highs. Okay, so I'm buying the low of a high volume area and selling the high of it at a level. Now, you have to have an identified level. Okay, that's the key to it. All right, so that's one tip, one major tip I can give you guys if you follow my videos. I'm giving every single day, guys. If you watch my videos here, me live trading. Not everybody's showing you how to actually live trade or showing you their live trading and then going back and showing you the number of pips or ticks they've accumulated in a session, whatever the case is. I do this every single day. I'm a scalper. I'm a price action scalper, whether it be for several ticks or several points, whatever the case is. I'm intraday. I'm in the market. And I get out the market looking for my next setup. So that's what I do. And I can do it on any particular market. This right here, my style, you may ask, well, you're only able to do that on the ES futures, the E-mini S&P 500. Nope, I can do it. I don't care if it's options, Forex, stock, whatever it may be. I trade the same way on any particular instrument or whatever it is. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's stocks. It doesn't matter if it's the Forex. It doesn't matter. I can do it just using price action. Okay, so. Okay, so let's go ahead and get back into trading, guys. That's enough of me rambling, and I've already taken one trade already. So I've got to mark some levels here because I'm just looking at the market here, and it's probably about 10 o'clock now. And I'm already 6 minutes into this video already. So let's look at, let's see what the market's doing. Okay, so we had a level here, and that's one thing I always do too. You say, well, you're taking a trade, and we're not understanding why you're taking a trade or where you're taking it from. Let me explain, okay? Because in my videos, I explain my levels and why I took a trade at a level, okay? There was a level here, okay? The level was, let's see. The level was actually right here, okay? This was the level, okay? Why was the level? Because price stair step down here, okay? Turned around, took out this level right here. So pushed up, pulled back, boom, took it out to the upside. Now we got this major pull, push to the upside. Price comes back, what? And retested that level right here. Pretty much at 9:30 this morning when the market opened up, okay? Yeah, so the market, let me take a look here. Yeah, so the market comes back and here's a test right here. It pushes up and here's another test here. It comes down to this level here, but it's forming a swing to the downside. So this is still an area where there's a swing level at, where there's a level at, I should say, where there's a level at, which is a swing level, and we're at the lower end of this high volume area. Okay. Now, price breaks below this right here. There's a possibility we can push lower because we have this low volume area here, and I use that as a tool. If price starts breaking level to the downside and we start dipping into a low volume area, price is probably going to push lower. So now we have to see what price is trying to do now. Is it going to push higher? It's a possibility it could here. At least come back up here and test this area right here. These swing level highs right here. So, but we have to pay attention to what's going on here. So let's see. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here, guys. So we are, okay, I'm long, and I could be long too early, to be honest with you, but I'm long looking to test this area here at least at 44 and a half. We could get some pullback here, but I'm hoping to get filled here. It could pull back a little bit before it goes higher. So, okay, it's already hit my. It's got close to my profit target area in one tick, but we could pull back here. Is what I'm trying to say for sure. So, yeah, I'm thinking like right here maybe. And price, I'll put another contract there because price could pull back to that area right there for sure. So, just give me a second, guys. I'm looking to see. So we're in the trade. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm in the trade. Wait to see what the market does here. Hopefully we get filled. Come on. There it goes. Okay, so we got filled there. See? So I know where I'm trading now. I know what I'm looking for. Price is probably going to bounce right here. Right where I said it, 44, 44. and a quarter, or 44, 44 and a half. So there we go. So that was 2 contracts. Picked up another point there, the ES, and we're up from 11. Now we're up 19 ticks. Okay, simple as that. All right. I've only been trading and talking to you guys for 10 minutes now. Okay, and already that's 19 ticks and $237.50. So there you go in 10 minutes. All right. So let's keep talking here. I mean, let's keep looking, keep looking. It's just beginning. I'm gonna get a sip of my coffee here because that's what keeps me going. It's like motor oil to an engine in the car. So here we go. It's good coffee. All right. Let's see. But yeah, guys, I mean, you guys can trade just like this. I mean, anyone can do this. You know, no one's better than anyone else out here. It's just put your mind to it, you know. Understand the fundamentals of trading, and really understand is what the market is really trying to do. When I say the market, I'm talking about the institutions, the banks, what they're trying to do, because that's where the money's at. They're the ones that they're injecting the money, most of the, you know, the big money into the market, because you know, hey, that's how you think they make money based on what the money that we put into our personal money, we wrap it to the banks, and now the banks take that money and they invest that money. So that's where, you know, that's how they're making the big dollars. And that's how it works. That's how the you know, it's a cycle. The system keeps rolling. So what could happen here? Let's see. We broke a level here. We have broke a level here. Let's see here. Yeah, price could, yeah. There's little micro levels here. Okay, so right now I don't see much of anything that I want to trade right now. I did tell you what I say. I told you before price got there that it would stop at 44, 44 and a half area. So right there, pretty much to the ticks where it stopped at, because there's resistance there, guys. So you have to be mindful of stuff like that. We're in this big swing to the downside, and there's micro swings. You know, there's levels in between. So what I'm looking for now is, yeah, the price is bouncing at resistance. So right now I'm not going to do anything. I like to see price, in all honesty, take out this high right here. So what would happen if price took this high out? If price took out this swing high right here, okay. Um, let's see. Yeah, price take this out. I mean, it could push it, take it out, and come back and test this level again, and then you have another opportunity. But I'm just saying that that could happen, you know, way down the line. That could happen sometime today, sometime tomorrow. But you just don't never know what the market's going to do. You trade based on what you see and what the market's doing, you know, showing you. So that's the key to it. So yeah, that is the key to it. So at the time, just going to go ahead and pause the recording right now until I see another trade opportunity. To be honest with you, I'm more I'm more so of a long bias type person that likes to trade long. So you know, I'm sure there's going to be sell opportunities here, but I like to really focus on long trades. So I'm gonna pause the video now. Okay, so price is pushed higher. It's testing the VPOT, which is the point of control for today. It's bouncing right here at this high, you know, the swing level high here. So it's projecting off of it. What could happen? It could come down here and test this level again and push higher, or I mean, we could actually. There's a little micro level right here that price could actually. Let's see. Let me see something, guys. Yeah, price could test this level right here. It's a little level right here. That's what I consider a micro level. You see it here on the 12 range chart right here. So, but that's going to be just, you know, it's all going to be according to what price does when it gets to that level. So that level I'm talking about is a little purple line here. It's a micro level that's within a major swing. So, you know, you just, um, You have to wait to see what price is going to do. Price could actually it could bounce right here too at 44 and 3/4. But I'm looking for it to come a little lower than that. But we'll see when it does when it gets down there, possibility wise. So it's approaching it now. So right here I'm talking about at 44 and 3/4. So we'll see. But I really don't like what price is doing. It's going to be kind of tricky because you're in the middle of this leg to the upside here, so you have to be careful. Trading in the middle of a leg can be very risky. You always want to trade the low end of a leg if you're buying, meaning down here. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. Hmm. See what happens here. I just mentioned we're in the middle of this leg here to the upside, so hmm. Huh. Yep, price can come lower. It's getting down to the area where I said, so okay. Come in. Now, let's see what happens here. I'm going for a point on this trade. Ah, okay. Yeah, I think price could push higher, to be honest with you. Come on. Come on. There we go. Got a point. So there you go again, guys. I mentioned the area down here, 44 and 3/4. You know, I have this purple line here marking that area. Price could actually push up to the back up to the PLC. It's a possibility. But let's see. It's a possibility it could push back up here, but it could bounce in this area too. So you just have to be careful here. Um, but yeah, picked up another point there. Let's see where we're at on our trade performance now. Let's see. So we were at 20, what did I say? 19 ticks. Then we went up to 23 ticks. And now I'm up 28 ticks. So, okay. See it pushing higher there? It may try to push up. It may bounce right here, but it could push up to the point to the PLC, back up to the PLC. So now that puts us at $350 flat. 350 flat. Okay. 350 flat. Okay. 350 flat, guys. All right. So I'm showing you that you can do this every single day as I do. And I've been trading less than a half an hour now. All right. Okay. So yeah, I mean, so that's pretty much what I want to show you guys. I price action trade, guys. That's what I do. I'm a price action trader. I don't use any indicators other than if you want to call the volume profile indicator, but I don't use it like a MACD or a stochastics. I don't even use the EMAs. I mean, I follow pure price action by looking at what price is doing, price movements. I only use the volume profile just to kind of help kind of look at it to help me when price gets to a level. Is it at the low end or is it at the high end? I'll wait for price to get down. This is a little bit lower to the low end of that high volume area to start looking for a trade. I mean, start to look for failure and rejection, then to take interest in taking that trade. So Um, so yeah, it is what it is, and that's why I use nothing more. I use nothing more but trading price action. I like looking at a naked chart, pretty much. Even though my charts aren't 100% naked, I mean, you take out the volume profile, and it's pretty much just all you see is just the candles and my levels. I mean, my lines here that I use to mark my levels with. So that's that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be honest with you. So. But yeah, guys, I don't want to make this long-winded video here. I just wanted to do another live day trading session here, uh, showing you price action trading. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and hit that bell notification so that you will receive every time I drop a video, every time I post a video, it'll come to you via your email, your mobile phone device, whatever it is. And also make sure to like the video too. If you like the content and you want to continue seeing me post live trading sessions like this where I show you my live trades, guys, then please hit that like button. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt your thumb. Go ahead and hit it right now. Hit that thumbs up button because it helps the algorithm on YouTube to kind of push the video and so I can help people. That's what I want to do. I want to help people, show them the right way of learning price action. In my videos, like I said, I show you. I mark my levels and identify to you, tell you why I marked that level there because they are levels, and I explain why I took that trade from that level. Okay, so please make sure to go ahead and like the video and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.